Good morning, students. Today we are going to start Literature Chapter 7 Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture. बच्चे that is the story by Jerome K. Jerome, and Jerome K. Jerome used to provide humorous stories, means full of entertainment. So, here when we have to start this chapter, here the description given there. Hanging a picture on a wall is a mundane activity. With a hammer and a nail in hand, it may not be a very time consuming activity. Have you ever come across someone who raises storm in a teacup over hanging a picture on the wall? In this chapter, we will read about the summary related to hang a picture on the wall. And well, here is a funny character whose antics will amuse you. And do you know who is that funny character? That is Uncle Podger. Uncle Podger is a character who makes the readers laugh. He feels himself to be a man of ability and skills. He keeps bragging that he could do any sort of job himself without anyone's help. But in reality, he involves others in the job and finally, after messing things up, does the work with imperfection. Means he took help from the rest of the family members also, and there was a big mash up of all the things while they were hanging the picture on the wall. The picture has been shown that it came home from the frame makers and be standing in the dining room waiting to be put up, and Aunt Podger would ask what was to be done with that. Then Uncle Podger decided to involve all the other family members also to hang that picture. When it comes to the task of hanging a picture on the wall, by his acts, he makes everybody in his family perplexed and confused. He thinks that it is he who is doing the job of hanging the picture on the wall, but at the same time, he gets all the family members involved in one or the other subsidiary jobs. Means someone was having the nail, someone was having the hammer, someone was having the other thing, someone was having the picture. Means all the family members were involved in that. He asks people to find his coat while he himself was sitting on it. Okay, the coat was under mm, Uncle Podger, and rest of the people were searching for that. He had made a mess but looked prideful at his ill-finished jobs. Means he finished the work, but it was not finished in a proper way. It was messed up of all the things. So here at the end of the story, what he thought that he had made a he thought that he had made a great work, while it seemed to be crooked and insecure, and he took help from the rest of the members. So it is the story only. One of the people has been described to involve in a tiny task. He involved all the family members in that tiny tasks. So that is the story only shown there. Nothing more than that. And Jerome K. Jerome's stories always used to be full of humor, irony, and some of the logical or illogical things. So this is the story example of underestimation which the women and the other members of his family face. The male of the family is the head of the family irrespective of his inefficiency. He is able to complete any job with the help of every member of the family but takes the credit alone. He wants to take the credit alone. Same was with Ankar Podga. For him, the females are just the one who creates a fuss and he assumes himself to be the best at every job. And the story is a satire for the assumption of the society towards women. So, bache, this is the story up to here. I hope you will read out it once more from your literature and you will enjoy it very well. Goodbye. Have a nice day.